Legit na Chinese food along Shaw Boulevard na wala sa mall. This is Tikha, nabudol kami ng mga fellow foodies. Well, we find this very convenient kasi may kasama kaming mga seniors na hindi na kaya maglakad ng malayo. Meron silang konting parking slots in front pero we chose to go there at 3 p.m. para mas konti yung tao and early dinner na rin. Ang nice ng ambience nila, ang cute din ng mga interiors and yung mga utensils nila. This is like a modern Chinese restaurant. Ang cute nga pala nitong teapot nila, they serve complimentary jasmine tea. This is their eggplant with minced pork. Nagustuhan namin to kasi tamang-tama lang yung blend ng sauce. Balance lang yung pagka-umami, sweet, and spice niya. Perfect din yung pagkakaluto ng eggplant. This is their salted fish fried rice. May iba naman, hindi yung puro yang chow yung ino-order namin. Perfect yung texture ng rice. Malasa siya but not too overpowering kaya bagay pa rin sa mga ulam. My son loved this so much. Ito yung dish na pinaka-nagustuhan ko, the Qingdao spare rib. This is their special Hong Kong marinated spare ribs. Tender yung spare ribs and masarap yung sauce para siyang barbecue na sweet and savory. This is their Nestum chicken, fried coated chicken with Nestum cereals. Very crunchy yung chicken and buttery. Masarap papakin, especially yung breading, although mas nagustuhan ng kids ko yung spare ribs. If you love crunchy, buttery fried chicken, this is a must try. Next is their pata bihon. Ang nagustuhan ko dito, ang daming sahog on top. Malakas yung mushroom flavor nito, which I like. Some people don't. Ang nagustuhan ko dito sa pansit bihon na to, maganda yung pagkakaluto, hindi dry. Mahilig kayo sa mga mushroom essence like shiitake mushrooms, magugustuhan nyo to. Sobrang dami pang choices sa menu nila. This is a resto na pwedeng balik-balikan.